Dear students, in this lecture we will do 8-point DFT using DIT method. Now we will perform 8-point DFT means capital N is 8 and N is equals to 2 raised per V, where V is number of stages. In 4-point DFT that we were doing last lecture, the number of stages were 2, but in case of 8-point DFT the number of stages are 3. So let's start from bit reversal as we do in 4-point DFT. First write decimal. In 4-point DFT we write decimal from 0 to 3, but in case of 8-point DFT we will write decimal digit from 0 to 7. Total 8 points. So let's, the binary of digit 0 is 000, binary of digit 1 is this, binary of digit 2 is this. Write binary from 0 to 7. Then perform bit reversal. For 000, the reverse bit will start from this side. Means first 0, then second 0, then third 0. The binary will remain same. For 001, the first digit is 1. For bit reversal, second is 0 and third is 0. So it becomes 100. Similar for the rest case. So after bit reversal, the sequence becomes 0. This is the 100 binary for 4 decimal digit. 01 is 0 for 2 decimal digit, and right up to 7. So the sequence becomes 04261537. Write in this sequence. First draw 8 lines as we are doing 8-point DFT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you have to write here sequence after bit reversal, means x of 0, x of 2, sequence was 0, 2, 4, this is for this 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. This is x, 4, 6. This is small x, 1, 5, 5, 3, 3, and here you will write 7. Here this is the starting stage, means that you were this 0, 4, 2, 6, this one. First 0, 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So you write here 0, 2, 4, 6, 1, 5, 3 and 7. Clear? This is 6, 3 and 7. Now first step is make 2 pair. This make 2 pair like this with this, addition of 2 pairs. Then this pair with this pair. Then this pair with this, addition of these 2 points. Here summation sign. First summation, second summation, third summation, fourth summation, fifth summation, sixth summation, seventh and eighth. This is the completion of first stage. So go to second stage. Stand these lines. Sorry, this is very close. This. At first stage, make pair of 2. At second stage, make pair of 4. Means first 4 are 1, 2, 3, 4 are even points, and then start with make pair of 4. First 2 are even, then other 2 are odd. Means this will be added with this will be added with this. Similarly, this will be added with this, and this will be added with this. This is the pair of 2 points, and here is the pair of 4 points. Plus addition, summation of these points, summation of this point, summation of this point. Then from next 4, first 2 are even and 2 are odd, so this will add with this. This point will add it with here. This point will add with here, and this point will be add here. Summation, summation, summation sign, summation sign. Clear? This is the end of second stage. Capital N is equals to 8, so there will be 3 stages. 3 stages. 2 stages have been completed. We left with third stage. So go to third stage. Extend these points. In first stage we make pair of 2, the addition of 2 points. At second we make 4, and at here we consider at first stage we consider 1 even 1 odd, second stage 2 even 2 odd, at third stage 4 even 4 odd. Means you have to add 1 2 3 4 left 4 points with this. Again draw summation sign. This is the end of third stage, and here is the output. Output we write as capital X of 0 in sequence wise. Capital X of 1, capital X of 2, capital X of 3, capital X of 4, 5, 6, and here it is 7. So I told you, consider in first stage one even point, one odd point, one even point. E is for even, O is for odd. One odd point. Just to remember, no need to write here. This is O. Okay, this is even point. First even, then odd, then odd, then even, then odd. For second stage, 2 points will be even and 2 points will be odd. Similarly, 2 points will be even and 2 points will be odd. And in third stage, the 4 points will be even. First 4 will be even and the last 4 points will be odd points. Odd, this is odd, this is odd, and this is odd. Remember, for the odd points, you have to multiply with minus 1. Clear? Odd point you have to multiply with minus 1, but remember after this point. Similarly, after this point, you have to multiply this point with minus 1. After this, you have to multiply this with minus 1. After this, you have to multiply minus 1. Similarly, here, two odd points multiply with minus 1, multiply with minus 1. But remember, after this, here we multiply after this point. Clear? So in the first stage, there is, here is odd, even, here is odd, here is odd, here is odd. Multiply with minus 1. Clear? Here, after this point, this, this, and this. And the other thing that we have to do is multiply odd points with twiddle factor. Means here we multiply W 0, 8. This point will be multiplied with W 1, 8. This will be multiplied with W 2, 8. And this will be multiplied with W 3, 8. This twiddle factor is before this point and this minus is after this point. Remember, this twiddle factor value is before this point. Before this point. Before this point means the output of this stage will be multiplied by twiddle factor, then it will be added with this. And this output after multiplication with twiddle factor, after multiplication with minus 1 will be added with this. So here are 4 even points. So I write W08, W18, W28 and W38. In the second stage, there are 2 odd points. So the twiddle factor value will be W08 and W28. Skip 1 point. W18 skip हो जाएगा. W28. Similarly here, the odd point will multiply with W08 and W28. 8. Clear? So here is only one odd point. One point will be skipped down, means we left with only W08. For this we left with W08. We left with W08. Here we left with W08. So this is the final diagram for 8-point DFT using DIT algorithm, decimation in time algorithm. So you have to do the calculations of this. Suppose x of n given is consider it as, let the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this sequence. You have to plot 8-point DFT of this sequence. Means the sequence length given is 4, so you have to append 4 zeros. Means to write the values here, the sequence will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and append 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0 and 0. So this is your sequence for 8-point DFT. Write sequence here x of 0. X of 0 is, write sequence here x of 0. X of 0 is 1. So write here 1. X of 2 is 3. So write here 3. X of 4 is 4. So write here 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 0. Sorry, x of 4 is 0. X of 4 is 0. So write here 0. X of 6 is 0. Write here 0. X of 1 is 2. So write here 2. X of 5 is 0. Write here 0. X of 3 is 4. So write here 4. And x of 7 is 0. So write here 0. Clear? Now we know the value of twiddle factor W08 is 1. Similarly, you have to calculate the values of W04, 08, W18. Calculate this value and put here W28 and W38. Only the calculation you have to perform for twiddle factor is these. Sorry, here it is 3 instead of 0 is 3. So W08 is 1. So there is no need to multiply any value. I will calculate the first stage output, then you will calculate the further output. So here it is 1, here it is 3, multiply with twiddle factor value 0. 0 it is 1, so it is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So output of first is 4. Here it is 1 and here it is 3. Multiply by twiddle factor value 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So here it is 0 and here it is 0, 0. Again upward 0. This 0 multiplied by minus 1 is 0. This is 2. Multiply by this 0 multiply by twiddle factor is 0. So here it is 2. This 2. Here 0 multiplied by minus 1 is again 2. Here it is 4. Because 0 multiplied by twiddle factor is 0. So I write 4. Here it is 4 and this is 0. So output of first stage is 4 minus 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4. So now you have to calculate second stage output and third stage output. This is up to you. Only you have to write here twiddle factor value 28, and you will write here twiddle factor value 28, and in this case twiddle factor value W18, W28, W38. Then multiply the output of this with this twiddle factor and add with this value in all cases. Okay, this value. But in case of here addition, this value will be multiplied by -1. So hope you will calculate this. Rest comment me if you want to find the solution. I will help you. Okay, thank you.